Hey guys, here we are. Welcome to my channel. And ngayon, turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-download ng application ng editing application without watermark. So ngayon, bago tayo mag-start, please subscribe and like my video.